And good morning, Exuma, day 2. We're headed to Stalking Island today. There's a lot of activities out there, so it should be pretty fun. The power went out this morning when I was uploading yesterday's video, so that's why there was a slight delay in that. But this is going to be a pretty good day, so let's have an adventure. Thanks, guys.
Watch out, look, Uncle David's gonna fly this helicopter. See right here? What'd you do? You touched it?
No way. Alright guys, we're just finishing up at Chat and Chill, and this is an absolute must if you come to Exuma. This is the perfect reset to get onto island time. We had a very good, just chill day at the beach here. We've been here all day and it's been plenty entertaining and perfectly perfect.
Here?
With our guys.
I found mine.
How long did it take you to train him to bite your ear?
Absolutely.
No long time.
Not a long
We're
time.
so in heaven.
All you need to do is make it bite your ear.
We are. It's
Just let it bite your ear. Easier
some of
said
us are
than
here
done,
through
huh?
till next Friday.
Easier done.
Yeah, we got here a couple
Zachary.
days ago, so let's get to hang out. Yeah, it's very nice.
Could be worse.
Could be a worse place to hang
Can I
out.
see if
Well,
it bites
Seattle,
mine?
we left snow. It doesn't.
All right, Heather's turn.
Good coffee.
Oh my god.
Yeah, Pearl Jam, all of our good
Lizard
good music.
earring.
Yep, yep.